Have you ever imagined a light, tasty dish that helps you stay on track with your diet without giving up on flavor? This dish exists and it's easier to make than you think. Get ready to fall in love with broccoli with mushrooms in garlic sauce, a delicious recipe perfect for anyone looking for a healthy, balanced diet to lose weight the right way. And the best part, you'll learn how to make it in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Healthy so you don't miss any recipe. At the end, I'll give you a special tip to expand your cooking repertoire and boost your weight loss journey. That craving for a tasty, guilt-free, and nutritious meal, yes, it's possible. Many times, we think that healthy meals are boring, but this recipe will prove you wrong. Broccoli, rich in fiber and vitamins, joins mushrooms, which are a great source of selenium, in a flavorful embrace with garlic and crunchy toasts. It's the perfect combination to satisfy your hunger and keep you full without the guilt. Can you already taste it? Let's get started. If you're looking for a delicious and effective way to lose weight healthily, this dish is your perfect ally. This recipe is more than just a simple meal, it's an act of self-love, an investment in your health and well-being. By choosing fresh ingredients and preparing a dish with so much care, you're showing love to yourself. And believe me, your body will thank you with more energy, vitality, and an even brighter smile. The journey to a healthy, fit body begins in the kitchen, and this recipe is your first step toward success. Besides that, the simplicity of this recipe makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of your cooking experience. You don't need to be a professional chef to prepare this wonder. With just a few ingredients and easy steps, you'll have a sophisticated and healthy dish in just minutes. Get ready to impress yourself and anyone around you. Now that your mouth is watering, let's get to the practical part. To start, you'll need fresh broccoli, 300 grams of mushrooms, preferably button or shiitake, 1 clove of garlic for sautéing, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 cup of vegetable broth, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, salt and black pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil, butter, and parsley for garnish. For the toasts, have on hand firm bread, such as ciabatta or French bread, parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, 200 grams of mozzarella or Parmesan cheese grated, 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt or heavy cream, Italian herbs to taste, salt, and more extra virgin olive oil. With these ingredients ready, the preparation is simple and quick. First, cut the broccoli into florets, wash them well, and cook in boiling salted water for 3 minutes until al dente, then drain and set aside. In a skillet, heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil with a little butter, add 1 finely chopped garlic clove, and saute until fragrant. Then, add 300 grams of sliced mushrooms, like button or shiitake, and saute until all moisture evaporates. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce by mixing 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, salt, and black pepper to taste. Pour this sauce into the skillet with the mushrooms, add 1 cup of vegetable broth, and stir well. Add the cooked broccoli, cover the skillet, and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. For the toasts, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit, slice the bread, and drizzle with olive oil. In a bowl, mix chopped parsley, grated mozzarella or Parmesan, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt or heavy cream, Italian herbs, and salt. Spread this mixture on the bread and bake for 10 minutes until golden. To finish, serve the broccoli with mushrooms on a nice plate and pair it with the toast. Serve immediately to enjoy the aroma and perfect texture. Remember, fresh ingredients guarantee even more flavor and an impeccable final result. To make the process easier, separate all ingredients before you start cooking. Wash the broccoli and cut it into florets. Clean the mushrooms with a damp cloth and slice them. Finally, chop the garlic. This prep work ensures you cook efficiently and without interruptions, saving time in the kitchen. You'll notice how the process becomes smoother and more enjoyable. With everything organized, cooking turns into a true therapy. Organization is the key to success in the kitchen, especially if you have a busy routine. Think of it as a moment to relax and connect with the food you're preparing. Enjoy each step, breathing in the aroma of fresh ingredients and the joy of creating something delicious and healthy for your body. Remember that cooking is also a form of self-care, an act of kindness to yourself. Prepare this dish with love and attention, and see how the simple act of cooking can become a deeply relaxing and rewarding experience. This little moment of preparation will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to healthy weight loss. And if you want even more delicious and healthy recipes to accompany you on this journey, don't forget to check out the ebook with 500 Delicious Keto Recipes cookbook. It's packed with amazing and creative options, perfect for anyone looking for nutritious and tasty meals. Click the link in the description and get yours. Don't waste any more time, invest in yourself and your health. If you liked this recipe, let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to Healthy You, and share it with someone who loves broccoli as much as you do. Have you noticed how the food you eat has a direct impact on your energy and mood? By eating healthy, you're investing in both your physical and mental health. And this recipe is proof of that, a delicious, nutritious option that helps you achieve your wellness goals. See you in the next video.